Students today are faced with an almost impossible task. Be ready to meet the future without basic workforce skills or the means to afford them. Appomattox Christian Academy is flipping the script by expanding its educational programs and facilities, providing an education that actually pays. The Appomattox Christian Academy Classical and Career Technical Education Institute will provide dual enrollment opportunities for its rhetoric students, as well as available courses and training for adults in our community and surrounding counties. Beginning with an accredited welding program, ACA is partnering with Central Virginia Community College to work with leading local employers, suppliers, and educators to design courses in realistic environments. Students will experience clinical time through a health and human services program, fabrication time through a welding pathway, and even build tiny homes for veterans through our construction program. And that's just the beginning. Machining, electrical, plumbing, and many more skilled certifications are scheduled to be added to the course offerings. It is ACA's mission to create career pathways for students. Students at the Academy will be prepared to achieve high-quality employment, whether that comes directly after graduation or after college. ACA+CTE will encourage students to use their God-given gifts and talents to become model employees and citizens in the communities in which they live. Now that's an education that pays.